Yo, what up? What's going on? It's May 4th, 2024. Guess what? The convertible is out. Rain this morning. Got off from the airport. Here we are. Gonna do a video for you. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Can't believe it. Beautiful day to be alive. Put away the four-wheel drive after putting almost $2,200 in it, son of a bitch. The front brakes, front brake locked up, and then I had some of the engine was still has bite idle, but the way it happens when I'm two used vehicles, I'm not into new vehicles. But let's roll up the windows here. So yeah. It's a great day to be alive, man. The PT Cruiser, the AK, the fag car, getting ready. We're gonna go to Ocean City. I did find another microphone that I thought I'd got it before. So for my this will be for the lovely and talented, because it's got 3 rings for the DJI. I saw a carpetbagger got a DJI pocket, which I have. I have the 2. He's already lost 2 in the toilet. If I have it in his pocket, he'll break that thing. I like my DJI. I broke it because I had it on. I put it on wrong. It fell over and that gimbal. So I saw that today. I sent an email and I said, "Be careful. Be careful. You should just get a phone with the Huss does it. People do it with the boom mic on it and be fine." But he's gonna find out the hard way. Those are good for doing stuff like this. I have, in the car, I can do it stuff as well. Anyways, you guys, do I need these on or not? Let me see. Yeah, what the hell? Let's keep it real. So yeah, biggest sprung. Got some rain. Last year I spent about $500-600 to get my lawn to grow, and it didn't happen, and now it's kind of starting to come back. So we're in the middle of that behavior. Like I said, we're on the GOPRO 10. We're heading out of Watertown, heading back. $1,200 year round to store both these vehicles. $100 a month. It was just $200 the old man, but he sold the place to a couple from Arizona. But it is what it is. Started up, he started a couple times, and got her done. So left tire was a little low, but I guess it is what it is. I told her, I said, it's the way she goes. I said, I know the place that charge $200 and you have to have it out, but fag cars here. What do we got? 74,000 miles on this pig. Any day I'm driving this by the top down, that means life is good. If I brought this vehicle back out and I redid production, trunk would come down. You could put a 6 in here if you really wanted to muscle it in. A friend of mine wanted to do it. He did it with one of his friends, and I'd make the steering do better than it does. So anyways, yeah, summer's here. We went on our first vacation, coming up with this channel, I don't know, a month or so. Went to Vegas. We saw Hawusi Wild in Arizona, and now they lost their hockey team. So I would call that Arizona team. I would call them the not the Coyotes. What's the other one? The Jackals. The Utah Jackals. That's what I'd call them. So I was shocked she went on vacation again. I really was shocked. But we are going to Ocean City. What the hell's that? Oh, that looks like a dead dog. Maryland. So we had looked at before when I was at Virginia Beach. I was talking to some guy my age, brainwashed by Trump, and I was discussing with him at the pool about beaches. Delaware's got some right away. The guy goes, "Oh, I don't want to go to Delaware. I'm afraid I'm going to run into Biden." I'm like, are you that brainwashed? So should I not go to Florida? Or why he's in, get the hush money, not go to New York? Barack Hussein Obama's from Chicago. I mean, I'd extend my hand and shake the hand of the hunch if he came up to me, but that was pretty funny because we were talking. I looked at the guy and I just couldn't believe that I'm white and I said, I'm libertarian. I don't hate the hunch, don't like Biden, didn't put him in office. Either one of those idiots. Too old. So we're gonna go hang out there in Ocean City. I've been in that state before. It's kind of on that border of, you're in the border of the racist little bastards. When I've been out before, Maryland. I mean, obviously Baltimore, you had the ship it there. People are still claiming it was fake news or the government did it. It's like, yeah, okay. We only wish, right? Even Dave 25 when I went in the phone, like you moronic idiot, doesn't want to do an MRI, because he thinks it's some kind of propaganda. That guy's just a waste of good suffering. So I don't know. What do you do, right? But I'm looking forward to it. I mean, I wanted to drive down the Oregon coast. I don't really see much. I wanted to drive down the Oregon coast, but she nixed that. Let me turn this thing on now. There you go. Well, that's a cool. We got a truck right there. The big trucks, those ones they ferry the troops. I'd love to get one of those. A couple of those drive around town, our party buses. They also have a couple in Nashville, but anyways. So I'm looking forward to going out there, Ocean City, and summer's here. Work on the lawn, tore down. I haven't done many videos like this lately. I just don't have time. It's just something's got to motivate you. I really kind of devolve from drama. I mean, I hear about it from Sweet Melissa once in a while. Douche, always has to tell me what's going on, and he's another one that always asking for money. And I mean, liberals ask for money. Republicans like myself work for a living. If you're a Republican, you're not asking for money. I'll say this again. I don't care if it's the Huss. I don't care if it's Daily Woo. It's Carpegger. Anybody. If you can't, your content can't make you money. Yeah, whatever I make, $90 to $100 a month on Spreaker. What do I make here? What did I make last year? I can't remember what I made on YouTube. Not a big deal. I make money at work. Tips. Speaking of that, somebody gave me a tip today. One of my Cowpoint Adventure bill was in there. It was pretty funny. Came back to me. That was hilarious. But I don't know. I get drama. I get it. But after a while, it's like just the same old behavior. 20 on, 4 off. And like I said before, people that are doing these streams, they want to be in the chat room, and they always, if you go look at someone's stream after the fact, I missed it, because they want to be able to talk to people. That's the social life. They wouldn't have a car like this and leave the house. The stalker never leaves the house. He's a loner just like Dave, That's why they are in love with each other. They're a bunch of stalkers, and they just don't. When you don't work for a living, you don't get out and see people, nothing materializes in your life. You're stuck in a house and refuse to leave the house. Your YouTube drama, whoever you talk to, like I said, on this video platform, and they start live streaming until there's Chris Ranson, you're gonna have all kinds of weird stuff happening. That's the problem. And they gotta get back to, I noticed there was people, one guy was bitching that they're pushing out, I see a lot of adventure people being pushed out, which I think is a great thing. They're pushing out people that do what I do. I that one guy that I follow on the other channel, Fiesta Adventures, he's really good. Sidetrack Adventures is really good. Gets out of his camera, does good work. I made fun of the guy. I told him one time that he went out to see a bridge out in Arizona. It took him to get there, and he was afraid to walk across it. It was a railroad bridge. I'm like, oh my God, man, it's a lot of work. I walk across railroad bridges. I trespass, I get it, but it is what it is. I do like my DJI. I'm gonna take the DJI in this. I'll probably take the other one too as well. I still like the flip is fun to, when I'm motivated to use it. It's fun to put it on here and then just leave it on here, and I can do a video by just sitting in my car. That's kind of fun. It's a fun little camera because I've got the thing you can put on here, and I can just talk. The flip is the best, easy little put on a window sill and talk. So, but anyways, I'm looking forward to going Ocean City out there. I'm looking forward to it out there in Maryland. So I think it'll be fun. But I think it'll be fun. So go hit the beach, see what they have to say on their boardwalk. So I don't know. I think the more you get out about, I guess the Oregon coast is a lot of fun. Take a train out there, drive down the coast, all the way down from Seattle down to LA or San Francisco. That's a lot of fun. Hang out, Highway 1, but Convertible's out, ladies and gentlemen. Life is good. And we'll put some videos out later. I'm out till March of 2025, so it's got fun videos coming every single day, you know. It's whatever. I saw in closing, what's his name was gonna stop doing as many videos, the Troll Patrol. Because when you're hate watching somebody, I can talk about Fat Boy, I can talk about Dave, but to pull a video off and have to edit it all out, that's a lot of work. He's getting 1,000 per, not a lot of money. Squirmy and Grubs, somebody was doing their video for. But anyways, you guys, in the Convertible, summer 2024 is in the building. I'll see you in the next one. Day 25, please get a job. Thank you very much.